The problem that we are experiencing is that the overflowing of the water, specifically in the water tanks. Because if you open the Nawasa, which is the main supply or the direct supply of the water, then the water in in the main supply will continuously flow to the pipe and then to the tank. And then the water will be flowing to the tank, which is we will not notice if the tank is full because it is a stainless tank, and we will not notice if it is full not until the water will overflow, and that is the main problem that we are encountering. And as a business owner of the water station, we are encountering this type of the problem for how many months. And also there are side problems to this type of problem, which is the first is the utility bills will get higher to the which will is expected because the water will overflow. And also uh, it it can cause damages to the structural of the water station, and it also be a problem because the people that are working to the to your business will get affected, and it may it may cause an accident to the working station of it. And then also if the also the product that you are supplying will be delayed because we know that the water is in demand, and water we are it is the thing that we are needed every day. And if the water will get delayed, and then the clients of yours will get mad, and then the company will get negative feedback because of that problem. For the solution in this type of the problem, we we create an idea that how can we stop the overflowing of the water without switching it off to the main direct supply of the water, which we have an idea of water overflowing alarm, which the alarm can make a sound, and then it can notice the people that are working to the business of yours that the the tank is full. Because as I said, from the problem, if you open the direct supply of the Nawasa, I don't think if that is also in the other water station, but in our case, if you open the Nawasa, which is the direct supply, the flow of the water is continuously, and you cannot stop it until you switch it off. And the solution that we made is that to have a stopper and alarm, which is if you open the Nawasa, it is continuously flow. And then the product that we are invent for, and also the solution for this problem, is the stopper and alarm, so that the stopper can stop the water to the tank if the water reach the highest possibility of that he can reach that the water can reach to the tank. And then it will alarm if the water tank is full, and that will help for the business and also for the employees the that are working to the company. And it will not also be a problem because it will not delay the water, and the water will not overflow, and the water will automatically stop if the water reach the highest possible to the tank, and that's all. For the 3D model or 3D product that we made is we designed it this way so that we can see it and we can know the process of the product when it will be put to the tank, because as I said earlier, we can see if the water is full because the tank is stainless, and the circle container in that 3D model is representing as the water tanks. And then there are a ball which is the stopper, and there are an alarm to the top of it. And then the stopper will will stop if the water reaches the tip of the stopper, because as I said earlier, if you open the nomasa, which is the direct supply of the water or the main supply of the water, then the water will continuously flowing, and we can notice if the tank is full because it is stainless, and the water stopper, if the water will get reach to the top of the tank, then the water will stop if the water reaches the tip of the stopper, and then the alarm sound will be sounding that the water is full, and that's all.
Before we start discussing about on our business model canvas, let us define it first. Lean canvas is an effective method for breaking down our business idea into essential assumptions for better analysis and creating one-page business plan. It is the strategic document that assists managers in compiling business model assumptions prior to the launch of any startup. The problem that which is to be solved by our products all about the water overflowing from the water tanks that causes the moist walls and floors, which can lead to the mold and mildew, and also the other factor which is increasing of utility bills and can damage the structure material such as water tanks, wherein it can start a corrosion. This problem should be given an attention because it was based on the Cornejo's business, which is a water station, and this is the problem that still they can be solved. It can also affect their time service, especially when there are peak hour of orders. The existing alternative solution is keeping an eye on the water tank until it's full and mapping the area to be dry. The solution that we created to solve our problem, wherein it is a device that will place inside the water tank, and when the water reaches the set high level inside the tank, it will alarm and automatically will stop the refilling of the water from the source. By the function of our product, it will reduce the water waste, lowering the utility bills and preventing the structural damage. Our key metrics are cost of consumers, acquisitions, number of referrals, revenue, customer loyalty, and qualified lead per month. This will measure and indicate the progress of our product and business if we are being able to achieve our objective, which is to be a success. Our unique advantage, alarming the and automatic stopper of the water refilling the tanks from the source, is the unique advantage from our product because you don't need to watch the tank when you are refilling it, since our product will do it for you, and our product is also created to be held from our environmental source. Our high level concept is never waste even a drop of water, because our product is all about on how to conserve a water, and this code will easy to remember by the people, which can help us to gain more potential consumers.
For the unfair advantage, we provide the best quality product with a 24/7 availability for every consultations to our every customers and clients. With these offers, it's such a great lifetime investment in terms of practicality and maintaining a water refilling station and other personal use. And for our channels, we have a lot of channels like wholesalers, distributors, social media, and advertisements that aims to be offered to our target market. For the customer segments, the customers are also divided into three: big companies, small companies, and personal use also. It is important for big companies to use large amounts of water in their day-to-day needs for their production. And also, it is important for small businesses and personal use in terms of practicality and maintaining a lesser cost for utility bills. And for those maintenance personnel, it is also important because it gives them an extra alertness in managing the structure of water reserve. For the cost structure, the only cost structure for our product is firstly the actual cost of the product, which is the water alarm system, and then it is followed up by the maintenance. But don't worry, our product is easy to install and does not need heavy maintenance presence when the product is running. If we need of maintenance or the company business owner needs assistance, our company offers a 24/7 availability for our customers that gives them professional consultations instantly. Lastly, for our revenue streams, it is firstly the transaction-based revenue streams and installation of the product. Aside from that, it can also be followed up by consultations that our company offers to our customers and if need of physical guidance to our customers. Anjucorp could also be in the field to help in the maintenance procedures, but it is only for those who really need the guide. But aside from that, our product is very easy to install and maintain that almost everyone can do it alone too.